We're out here in the rain. A couple of my buddies. All we need is a bar soap because we are getting wet. Well, we're not because we got the top, but look at the fish on the screen. Tons of fish on the screen and tons of fish in the cooler. The live well is filling up. And the boat's filling up with water too because it's raining. But I don't know how many we got, but we are slaying them. All right, just pull the boat up on the trailer. There's the live well. 3-man limit. Couple white bass. Couple bigger bluegills in there. Mess of crappies. We did good out in the rain.